One of the most beneficial things besides actually getting an entire semester's worth of research is the fact that I get to use equipment that I wouldn't normally get to use. I think hands-on is key. That's how I learn. I learn by doing. I can't just learn by reading a book and sitting in a lecture. So for me, this really helps me be able to use the equipment and really go in depth on how the equipment works, how it applies to the field and the different applications, and I get to do it all. It's not just learning about it from a book. I got interested because I've always been fascinated in molecular biology, why the body works, how it works, and I eventually ended up taking the immunology course at Clarkson offered by Trudeau. And then I heard about the Trudeau partnership and being able to spend a semester at Trudeau, and I thought, well, what better way to get experience and really decide if this is what I want to do with my life than to spend an entire semester at the Institute. The professors are awesome, really personable, very passionate about science and the type of people that I'd want teaching me. So we started off taking bioinformatics for 3 weeks, so all our courses are broken up into 3-week blocks. So instead of doing all 4 or 5 courses at one time throughout the semester, you have one course for 3 weeks and that's it. So you really get to hone in and focus on that subject. It kind of makes it easier in my opinion. And so like we started off with bioinformatics, then we moved into a history course, so history of public health. Now we're doing cell imaging techniques. We're focusing on flow cytometry and histology. Then we'll be moving into another history course, which is the history of medicine. And then on top of that is our project in bioscience. So we have a semester-long research project that we've been working on, if not every day, every other day. And what's cool is we get, as long as our experiments come back, how we want them and the data supports the hypothesis for the experiments, is we get co-authorship on a paper. So not many undergraduates get that, get a co-authorship. So the fact that we get to do that, it's awesome.